Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and if this is your first time here, I just want to welcome you. We're a home improvement channel where beginners, well, they're welcome as well. Now today's video has to do with Cool Tool Tuesday. Try to say that one 10 times really quick. I gotta tell you, it was hard for me to say it just once. Now today's video has to do with a tool that I think is pretty cool. And I have to say right off the bat that this is not a sponsored video. This company sent me an extension cord. They sent me the box, I opened it, I looked inside, and I thought, extension cords, okay? But in the course of using these extension cords around the shop, I realized something, and that is they're pretty doggone cool. Let me show you why I think that. Now this is the Maximm extension cord. Now what's interesting is this. I'm going to turn it on its side. Check out the profile. It's flat. What that means is it doesn't protrude from the wall when you plug it in. And another ingenious feature with this extension cord is this. Check this out. The prongs rotate 360 degrees. Let's plug this thing in so I can show you how it works. Now what I like about it is it sits flat against the wall, so if you've got a sofa or a big piece of furniture or a piece of equipment and it's near an outlet, you don't have to worry about the extension cord sitting too far out, projecting too far out. So the fact that it's flat, that's a big plus. So this is a charger. And of course, if you've got a charger in, it blocks the bottom outlet. You can't put anything else in there. And if you use the top, and it also blocks this outlet. You see? I can only get my cord in part way. So here's our cord, right? Now what I've done is I've already rotated the prongs so I can just go ahead and plug my cord in just like that. So if I need to just give myself a little extra cord, I can just always flip it to the other side. Let me pull this out completely so you can see that the cord just goes around and around. Pretty cool extension cord as far as extension cords go. Now that's our Cool Tool Tuesday. And you may be thinking, is this something we're going to do all the time? Well, it's not something that we're going to do every Tuesday, but whenever I see a tool that gets my attention that I think pretty cool, and it warrants sharing it with you guys, I'm going to do that. Now, I want to hear in the comments below what you think about the extension cord, and if there's a cool tool that you've come across that you would like me to check out and share with this community, please comment in the comments below and I'll do that, okay? Now, I'll place a link in the description below so you can check out this extension cord for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.